Now, this may be a no-brainer for somebody who is a super user of an Android device, but did you know that on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Note 10, Note 8, Note 5, you're able to actually quickly change the font size of your text messages, as well as being able to see these itty-bitty little tiny things called emoticons by just placing your finger in the middle of the screen, two fingers, just as if you were going to pinch to zoom and pinch to zoom until they become very big. As you can see, you can most certainly get the advantage of being able to see those emoticons a little easier and be able to see the text a little bit easier as well. I hope this tip is helpful for you. Please let me know below as you like and subscribe to the video, and in the comments whether you already knew this or whether this is the first time you're hearing about this. For the Cellphonius YouTube channel, this is Danny Alvarez checking out.